Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that is having trouble breaking out to new highs here. Certainly, we're seeing the market down somewhat big today on renewed fears that the China talks are breaking down once again. So this market seems beholden to every tweet coming out of Washington, at least for the time being. Later today, we have the Fed speaking. We'll see what they hint at interest rates. I think the market's already priced in a rate cut at the next meeting. So if they talk hawkishly at all, could lead to another leg down in the market. We shall see. But I think for the time being, we have the ceiling with valuation concerns. The market's certainly far from cheap on an actual basis, but buffered to the downside by that cheap money. So I think we'll continue to see this big change, no range sort of trading range. So more of a trader's market going forward. One stock that's also buffered to the upside, I think, is Apple. It hit that $1 trillion market cap again, close to all-time highs, but having trouble breaking to the upside post that Apple event here. We're looking there at valuations that are at extremes, PE at a 10-year high, price to sales basically the highest we've seen in a 10-year period as well. So valuation metrics getting stretched here. Growth rates obviously slowing. And the fact that it's a $1 trillion company, the law of large numbers means growth will absolutely be slow simply because of the size of Apple. So I'm a little bit bearish here, buying a simple put spread, the October kind of at the money put spread, the 225, 220, paying about $1.70. Just looking for Apple to close below 220 come October expiration. We have earnings coming out at the end of the month on this one, so we'll see what happens with that. Seeing some unusual call activity in Marathon Petroleum MPC. Big repeat buying out in November. Today was November 35 calls. They drove the IV from the low 30s to almost 40. The stock is down and the calls are up, so I'm simply doing a simple sell strangle, selling those rich NOV 35 calls, and then to hedge, selling the NOV 30 puts, which are also priced a lot higher than they were yesterday. Just looking to position in a delta neutral fashion, more capture that implied volatility on MPC. So we'll see what the Fed brings this afternoon, but this market's certainly struggling to break out the fresh new high. So I think we're in for a pullback somewhere along the way here, which may be healthy. So until next time, as always, here's the good trading. Take care.